Let's get real. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy. You work hard, save, and want to protect your family. That's your estate, no matter its size. The biggest mistake? Thinking estate plans are only for the rich. In truth, middle-class families need the most. The wealthy have lawyers. You have your home, savings, and retirement, everything you've built. A simple will isn't enough. It can leave your family tangled in legal messes, costing time and money. Without a proper plan, the courts decide who gets what, and it's rarely quick or painless. Estate planning is about protecting what you have, ensuring your loved ones get what you intend. Forget the myth that trusts are for the elite. They're for anyone who wants to safeguard their legacy. Picture your family, your home, your future. That's what you're protecting. This isn't about wealth. It's about responsibility and love. You insure your car. Why not your life's work? Your legacy deserves protection. Don't leave it to chance. Many people have a will and think they're set. But a will is just a letter to a judge. It guarantees probate. Probate is public, slow, and costly. A will alone won't shield your family from that. A trust is different. It's a private container for your assets, with clear instructions for what happens if you're incapacitated or pass away. You stay in control while alive, and your wishes are carried out privately and efficiently. Wills are public records. Anyone can see your finances. Trusts keep your affairs private. Wills only work after death. Trusts protect you if you're incapacitated, letting someone you trust manage things without court. With a will, your family waits for court approval. With a trust, your chosen person steps in immediately. Trusts let you decide not just who gets what, but when and how. It's about control, privacy, and peace of mind. The difference isn't small, it's everything for your family. Don't settle for good enough. Protect your legacy the right way. A trust is your rule book. Make sure it's in your hands. Your family's future depends on it. Probate is the court process for handling your will, and it's a nightmare for most families. It's slow. Your family could wait months or years for access to your assets. It's expensive. Legal fees and court costs can eat up 3.8% of your estate. That's money lost. Money that should go to your loved ones. Probate is public. Anyone can see your finances, debts, and who inherits what. This can attract unwanted attention, disputes, and even scams. The emotional toll is huge. Grieving families face delays, stress, and sometimes bitter conflicts. Probate often turns private sorrow into public drama. It's not the legacy you want to leave. Avoiding probate is about protecting your family from unnecessary pain. There's a better way. A revocable living trust is your solution. It bypasses probate, letting your chosen person manage and distribute assets quickly and privately. Your family avoids court, delays, and public exposure. Trusts protect minor children by managing their inheritance until they're ready. You set the rules. How and when your children receive support. Trusts also protect you if you're incapacitated, letting someone you trust handle your finances without court intervention. It's about more than money. It's about your values and wishes. You can support education, charity, or even care for pets. A trust gives you control, security, and peace of mind. It's the ultimate act of love for your family. Worried it's too complicated? Here's a simple 90-day plan. First 30 days, list your assets and decide who should inherit and manage them. Talk with your family. Next 30 days, interview at least 2 estate planning solicitors. Choose one who listens and understands your needs. Last 30 days, work with your solicitor to create and sign your trust. Make sure to transfer your assets into it. By day 90, you'll have a funded living trust and a secure legacy. No more uncertainty, just peace of mind. You've taken control of your family's future. This isn't about being rich, it's about being prepared. Protect what matters most. Start today. Your family deserves it. You're ready, you're capable, and you're approved. Make your legacy secure. Want to go deeper? Check out our book, Trust Made Simple: How Middle-Class Families Can Protect Their Wealth, Avoid Probate, and Stay United in Just 90 Days. The link is in the description below. And don't miss the next episode in our Trust Made Easy series.